Hey, it's Jason with West End Heating and Air out here in Richmond, Virginia. Just wanted to give you a quick video out with a customer. We actually put the system in 10 years ago, and it's our first time being out here. This particular homeowner has only been here for 3 years, but she had another company come out. System was freezing up, wanted a free estimate. So I was able to give her a free estimate, or I'm going to, but anyway, I found quite a few things here. I found 4 out of the 8 vents closed. I found a PVC trap without a cap. She had water leaking everywhere. The system was intermittently freezing up. But anyway, I'm out here today working on this 10-year-old carrier system, and put the gauges on it, and it was 1 pound low of 410A. 1 pound low of 410A. So again, I opened 4 vents. I put the cap on the condensate trap. I did clear the drains. I've added 1 pound of refrigerant, and this system has some extra life in it. Of course, I didn't fix the leak. We know that leaks don't fix themselves. They either stay the same or get worse. In addition to that, I'm not putting stop leak in. The total system charge is 5 to 6 pounds. I put 1 pound of 410A, and I honestly believe that she's been here for 3 years. She hasn't had any refrigerant put in. I'm thinking she's gonna be okay for a little while. If I'm wrong, we'll deal with that. I'm still gonna send an estimate. I just wanted to share this experience with y'all, because we're not in business to just offer a $2,500 coil or a $6,500 system. We are here to give you all the options. And if it's only $200 for a pound of refrigerant, a diagnostic, or cleaning the drains, well, we're okay with that. Hopefully this video was useful. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and how can we help you today?